how to design Happy Father's Day DADFLIX template in Canva. So let's start with it. So first I will choose YouTube thumbnail as my canvas here. Okay, and after opening I will first make the background as black color. Okay, and after that I will go to text here, scroll down to find typecraft, and first I will make the logo of the DADFLIX. So here I will write DADFLIX. Okay, and the font I will choose as Anton. Okay, and the color will be red. Okay, and as you can see the shape is here. Now we have to edit it, so I will make it bigger. And after that just bend it a little and pull it slightly from here and also from here, so the logo looks like the curve shape is in the downward part. So I will click on add element to design here. Okay, and after that when the saving is done, just make it smaller. Okay, and just bring it right here, make it slightly more smaller. Okay, and after that I will here write the menu part. So for the menus I will go to text here, and here I will choose add a subheading part, and here I will write home, and make sure it is in Canva Sans, and I will maintain this font in all of the text. Okay, for the menu part, and the size will be 22. Okay, and just bring it right here and duplicate it. Then I will write movies, then I will write TV shows, and make sure the gapping is same for all of them. Then I will write new and popular, and for the last I will write my list. Okay, so the distance is same. Now I will change for all the colors. Currently I will change it to this gray color. Okay, click on change all, and for the home only I will just change it to white color. Okay, so that it looks like the home is selected and all others are unselected part. Okay, and now I will click on add a heading here, and here I will write Happy Father's Day. Okay, and I will just bring it right here, and after that make sure the font is Archivo narrow, this one, and in bold, and change it to italics. Okay, so it is done. Now I will just decrease the spacing here. So this one is done. Again I will select this part and duplicate it, and go to elements, select a square and change it to the same red color as the logo, and make it smaller. Just place it right here, make it more smaller, and just zoom it so that we can work in it perfectly. And here I will just make it in the middle, and here I will write in movies, and in the last I will write today. And for the numbering part here, I will write #1 and place it right in the middle and change it to the color white. And now I will add the play buttons here. Use the same shape, which is square one, and just make it smaller according to the requirement. So this one is done. Next, this one, this I will make a little bigger. This one will be in white, and the next one will be in dark gray. Okay, so after that I will use the same font all over the canvas as I said. So I will bring this one and here write play. Okay, and for the next, here I will write more info. Okay, so here I will search for I button and I will use this one. Bring it in the canvas and make it smaller. And here I will bring it right here and change both the colors to white for the logo I button and also for the text. Okay, so this one is done. For this I will change it to black, and in the elements I will search for play button. Okay, I will use this one. Make more smaller. And place it right here. So this part is ready. Now we will work on this part. So for this I have viewed some images, and let me click on see all in recently used, and I will use this image for this example, and I will make it smaller. And just crop out this part because we don't require this part, and just make it bigger from this side. Okay, so like this, let's crop out a little bit from the above and just bring it right here. And after that I will just click on it, go to apps. Here I will write blend. Click on the second app which says image blender. Click on it and make sure you have the image selected, and click on linear here and adjust it accordingly like I am showing you. Like this in a straight line. Okay, and click on save. So this creates a linear blend here, and after that I will go to second page to design all the next icons which I will show in the lower part here. Okay, so for that I will make sure that all are in same 16:9 format. So I have selected some more images for this. So first one is this one, and all the captions are father and daughter. So this one, father and daughter playing outdoors, and this one emotional black father and daughter dancing waltz at home. Okay, so these three images I will be using. So first one is this one. Next, this one. and the third will be this one. Okay, so the three adjustments are done for the images. Now I will add the text. So for the text, I will click on add a heading, and as you can see, I have searched for Father's Day 2-word captions. Okay, so first I will select this guiding light. Here I will write here. Next, I will just duplicate the text and bring it here. And here I will write for the second caption, I will write Super Dad. And here I will change the color to white. Okay, and again I will duplicate it because I want to keep the text size same. And for the third, I will write here Proud Father, which is the 10th one, as you can see. Again I will change the color to black. Okay, so I will keep it right here, and for these three images I will click on share, click on download, and make sure it is in JPG, and just select this page 2, 3 and 4, not anything else. Just click on download. So as you can see, the download is done. Now re-upload all the images you just downloaded. So as you can see, the uploads are complete, and just come to the first page and select this one to make the first one. And before that, I will just bring it right here, and here I will write popular on DADFLIX. Okay, and I will just stretch it to make it in a same line and change the color to gray. Okay, so which is maintained here, I will say maintain here, and after that make it here in the canvas and make it smaller, and just put it slightly upwards so that I can adjust it accordingly. And next I will bring this one. For the last, I will bring this one. So as you can see, the adjustments are almost done. So I will just move it a little bit so that it looks like both the adjustments are here and in a straight line. So our design is ready. So I hope you like this design, and you can make similar designs if you follow this tutorial. Hope you like this tutorial, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.